Many of the aspirants fail UPSC not because they are not doing the hard work, but because of the fact that they are not managing the time well. Generally, I say a statement that your UPSC rank is hidden in your time management. So, if you want a decent UPSC rank, it's just you need to manage your time a little bit more better, so as to ensure that you are not losing or missing anything which is required to give a decent attempt. And when I say you're not losing anything, I mean generally you're focusing upon prelims, mains, combinedly known as GS. Apart from this, you are focusing upon CSAT, optionals, and not only this, you are also giving the time to the current affairs wala part. For all four of them, you are managing three important fronts of this examination, which is sources, second is revision, where you consolidate your summaries and you revise them again and again for both prelims and mains for all the subjects. Then you focus upon the practice, where you attempt the PYQs, and then a decent test series which is almost mandatory for maybe mains, optional, etc. etc. So what I'm saying, this video will be guiding you about the time management. Again, I am making the same statement. If you are able to manage your time better, sir and ma'am, you will be able to increase your chances of clearing this examination. Your rank is hidden in the time management. Very simple, very plain. Now, if I talk about this video, first of all, this is something which is mandatory for those who are part of Brahmas 2027. So whatsoever the test in the program, whatsoever the lectures in the program, everything shall be followed with the time structure or the time plan which I will be discussing with you, right? So that you don't miss anything out, you don't feel what is the time crunch and all those aspects. Now, if I talk about time management, the very first and foremost thing which should come in your mind is, sir, what should be our daily schedule? Now, before coming to the daily schedule, what it will comprise of, क्या क्या होगा इसमें? So if I talk about your day should be tackling GS, your day should be tackling current affairs, your day should be tackling CSAT, and your day should be tackling the optional part, right? Now what I will do is I will give you a rule, right? What you can do is you can shift the belts whatever I will be making in the particular slide. For example, let's say if someone is waking up at 7 a.m. from 7 a.m. until 4 p.m. in the evening, this I am terming as slot 1. This I am terming as slot 1. Second is 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. This I am terming as slot 2. Slot 2. Now, what I am recommending is in slot 1, mandatorily you should be focusing upon the GS from static point of view. I have seen many of the students taking up the newspaper, that is what they do first thing in the day. I mean, that is not completely wrong, but I want you to refrain from it. You will not, I am repeating it, you will not start your day with the newspaper. What I have felt with my experience, with the feedback from the student, that whenever you start your day with the newspaper, sometimes you end up giving unwanted amount of hours to the newspaper reading, or maybe you get unproductive in the later part of your day. So you have to start your day with the core GS and that to the static part. Now what you will do, if you can see, from 4 p.m. until 5 p.m. this is 1 hour. Ab I want you to take a power nap in this 1 hour, please. Power nap in this 1 hour. The idea is very simple, that you cannot increase, and listen to me very carefully, you cannot increase the number of hours you have in a particular day. For example, let's say you have a sleeping cycle of 8 hours, 2 hours you need for the other daily activities. Ab, out of 14 hours you end up studying 10, 11 or maybe 12 hours. What I'm saying, you cannot increase the number of hours in a day. 24 ही रहेगा. You cannot increase 24 to 25, right? That's not possible. But definitely what you can do is you can increase your productivity in that day, right? Productivity increase कर सकते हैं. For example, if I cannot increase the land size, I can definitely increase the land productivity to improve my yield. So what I want, you take a power nap, your productivity will increase, and that is where you will not end up wasting your second slot. I've seen few students who are not that consistent, who are not that committed in the second slot of the day. They feel exhausted, they feel tired up and all those things. So just ensure that maybe even you want to take a power nap of 1.5 hour, it's fine, but that will ensure that you are using the second slot to its maximum. अब इधर क्या करना है? In the second slot, sir, you have to cover two things, right? Two things, and those two things are, first of all, optional, and then current affairs. In current affairs, what you have to do? You have to do the newspaper for 45 minutes, right? And then for the next 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you have to read the daily dose. What is daily dose now? Daily dose is the compilation of the current affairs which we give you, the Brahmas students, on daily basis. What we do for all the important news articles, from prelims point of view, we compile all the important information, we give you to read it, so that you need not to make your own notes. This I have already discussed in my current affairs strategy video as well, right? This is how your second slot will look like. For example, now please hold, this is not this simple, please hold. 7 AM to 4 PM you are giving your time to the static, right? 5 PM to 11 PM you are giving your time to the optional. This 5 PM to 11 PM generally may have two breaks. One is tea break of maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and second is your dinner break of approximately another 30 minutes. That means 5 PM to 11 PM अगर आप calculate करेंगे, it is nothing but 10 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 hours. 6 minus 1, you are having approximately 5 hours. That means for optional, you are having 4 hours, and for current affairs, you are having approximately 1 hour, 45 minutes and 10 minutes for the daily dose. So this is something which will be valid for the second slot. Now let's come to the first slot, 7 AM to 4 AM. First thing first, here again you will be having two breaks. I'm not counting this break, this is independent of both the slots. This is what I can say, transition. In this time slot, in between you will be having two breaks. First break can be of breakfast. Please try to eat healthy in the breakfast. ठीक है, थोड़ा healthy खाइए, sprouts and all those things, so that you attain the energy, or you have the energy for the entire day. This may be for 30 minutes. Then again, see, this could be 30 minutes to 1 hour for the daily activities, nana and all those things. If you want to, you can do along with this also, or else you can do that along with your lunch, right? So either it will be 30 minutes of 1 hour here, or it will be 30 minutes of 1 hour here, depending here when you are going to the for your daily activities. So what I'm saying, combinedly this will be 1.5 hour as a leisure time, or not exactly leisure time, time for your other activities, right? Now this time slot is 7 to 12 is 5 hours, 5 and 4, 9 hours. 9 hours may you remove this 1.5 or 2 hours. That means you are having approximately 7 hours for the GS wala part. Ab some of you will come to me, sir, we are not that productive, we are not able to study, let's say 7 hours in the time slot. I know that fact, right? I know that fact. It just, we are clocking the hours, it just roughly I am saying 7 hours, but if you will see the productive hours, now I will tell you how to know the productive hours. I will tell you exactly how to know the productive hours. I want at least 5.5 hours productive here, at least 3 hours productive here, and at least 15 minutes productive here, right? So this is nothing but the time period. Productive time, how to calculate? So the thing is, new what I mentioned, productive time. How to calculate? I will come on this. First of all, the slotting should be clear in your head. But again, I will say this is not this simple. ये इतना आसान नहीं है. The thing which you will face, and I mean every one of you, is to maintain the consistency here, right? So what we have to ensure is, we have to ensure that whatever time or daily schedule we have made, it shall be now balanced by some rules. Otherwise consistency nahi aayegi, you won't be able to remain consistent, right? So there are some rules which you have to incorporate if you really want to follow this. And let me tell you, please write them somewhere. Please write them somewhere. I request you, so that you don't, deviate from this. Otherwise, this is useless. The slotting is useless if you're not following the rules. The very first rule is that you have to lock your break timings. What I mean with it? Whenever you want to have your lunch, please lock that time. I have seen students on day 1, they are having the lunch maybe at 12. On day 2, they are having the lunch at 1. On day 3, they are having the lunch at 1:30. Day 4, 2 p.m. Then again on 12. And this is random. This randomness, beta, maybe look weird or may not make any difference to your time slots, because ultimately you have to give 30 minutes only. But what this will do is, this will bring inconsistency, right? So please ensure that whatever are your break timings, for example, let's say, the break timing is 8:30 to 9:30. Fix this. If you can come early, but fix this, that 8:30 fix I will go for the breakfast. If you have fixed 1:30 for your lunch, fix this. Late aa rahe ho, early aa rahe ho, doesn't matter, but please go at 1:30. Even if you're not feeling hungry, please go. For few days it may make issues, but let me tell you, your body soon will become habitual to it. Your mind will be well trained, right? This will ensure, this single thing will ensure that you are able to remain consistent in your studies. Try to follow this. I've seen many of the students, what they will do, they will try to go for the lunch or maybe dinner, especially in the ORN, in groups. Library, if you're sitting, you have to take your friends, and then everyone, you will either wait for him, they will either wait for you. You're wasting your time in the process. Go alone. You have your slots, you have your exam. This is your exam, not the combined group exam, right? So what I am saying is, please fix your slots. Try to go alone if no one is following you, or if you don't want to go with other people. Even if you want to go in group, please fix the time and then come back to the seat. This is the first thing, first rule, and please follow this rule. Try to see your consistency. Okay? Time management is not useful, or it is useless unless until you follow these rules. Very simple, very plain. And I am reminding you again, your rank is hidden in the time management. If you're able to manage the time, your exam is half clear, right? Second is, sit to study table as soon as you wake up. Very, 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 very important. I've seen lot of students, what they do, they waste initial 2 hours, 3 hours either for the gym or maybe for the other activities. I don't know why. Please, I'm not saying that you study for 5 hours, then you do whatever you want to do. Even if you're able to study for 30 minutes, once you wake up, you will exactly know, and try to follow this. You will exactly know what you have to study in the entire day, because your brain is very productive, and the initial 30 minutes, 1 hour, you will be able to plan for yourself. What I have to study, from where I have to study, okay, this I have started, and you will be having that inner instinct to complete it then. Okay? But if you will start your day by spending a time here and there, 2-3 hours, then the day will not be productive. So please wake up like a soldier, get to work, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hours, you study, then you take the break. And that is why I mentioned, see, here I mentioned the first break as 8:30, right? So that is the first thing I wanted to convey. Then, you know, rule 1 and rule 2. Then we have another rule. The rule is mandatory power nap. As I have already told you, it's 7:30. For example, if you're taking the power nap 4, 5 tak you take a power nap. Acha. One thing I want to add, for example, if you're someone who wakes up at 5 and sleeps early, this will shift, or else this will shift to the right hand side. Simple hai. You have to either shift it this side, you have to shift it this side. It depends कि आप कितने बजे उठ रहे हैं, ठीक है? So just make a plan as of your sleeping cycles, right? And ultimately, one more thing, I don't want you to fix this. जब नींद आए तब जाइए सोने, ठीक है? But I want you to fix this wake up time. Please fix this. This maybe someday early, maybe someday late, चलेगा. Done? चलिए. So we were on the rules. The first rule is that please lock your break timings. Please wake up and sit on the table as soon as it is possible, right? Do not waste the time. Third thing is mandatory power nap in between so that you are productive again. Fourth rule is do not encroach your optional time. Very important again. The slot post 5 until 11, what you do? You will make your target for GS. Your target is not complete now. Knowingly or unknowingly, you will try to first complete the target, then you will move to your optional. I should write it. This is something which will help you to remember, right? I should write it. Wait. मैं लिखता हूँ so that आपको याद रहेगा सर ने लिखा था. This is biggest mistake and this will sacrifice your optional. बाद में मेरे पास मत आना सर ऑप्शनल में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा, क्या करें? You have already done the blunder by doing this mistake. Do not encroach in the time of optional. Even if you are not able to complete your target of GS, close it, start again tomorrow, next day, or keep it in the backlogs. Doesn't even matter, but you will never encroach the timings of your optional. Never. Please. मैं इतनी बार बोल रहा हूँ तब जाके you will be able to implement it 80% of the times, right? Or on 80% of the days. So please ensure that you are not encroaching the time of your optional or the second slot. Then rule of 5:1:1 or 4:2:1. What is this rule? See, right now in the starting I wrote that we have to ensure that we are doing GS, current affairs, CSET and optional. These two are fixed. We have done the slotting. This is 7 to 4, 7 AM to 4 PM. Then you will sleep. And this is 5 PM to 11 PM. And this includes the 45 minutes of the current affairs. So if I talk about the current affairs, it's daily. In that time slot, you can start with optional. Once you feel boredom, बोर हो रहे हैं, करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ लिया, फिर ऑप्शनल कर लिया. That could be the way out. Or you complete the current affairs, then you go to the option. Or you first complete the option, then you go to the current affairs. Anyway, it's fine. Now, daily we are giving 55 minutes to the current affairs, right? 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes. There is one more thing which you will always keep in mind, that every Sunday, the second half, that is 12 beyond 12 to 6 PM. This you have to go for the monthly magazine, or else if you're part of ICA batch at Sunne Aaya. Or it's not end. You will not do both. You will do one of them, right? Either the monthly magazine, every Sunday it's fixed that my Sunday ka second slot is for the monthly magazine. This will ensure that we are now comprehensive for the current affairs. And this I have discussed in detail in my last video also in the current affairs strategy. Okay? So GS sorted, current affairs sorted, optional sorted. CSET का क्या करना है? अब देखो. For the CSET, I am giving you 5:1:1 का rule. What is 5:1:1? The second slot. For 5 days, we will be doing optional until August. For 1 day, we will be doing CSET. And in CSET, only the PYQs until August. This is until August. Beyond August, this will change. This will be 4:2:2:1. This one is Sunday, if you remember. And this Sunday is Current Affairs Monthly Magazine, if you remember. It's sorted. Hai. This Sunday is again Sunday, Current Affairs Monthly Magazine. 2 days के लिए we will be doing the CSET. So what I'm saying, 4 days optional पढ़ेंगे. Now this is for those who are very weak. Let me tell you, this is for those who are very weak. 2 days you are giving to the CSET post August, September, October, November, December, so that you complete the syllabus, right? Although I will drop a separate strategy video also if you want to follow Sunne Aaye CSET ka batch. For those, I will drop a separate CSET strategy video also. But as of now, broadly, this will incorporate CSET. Baki, even if you're not doing CSET until August, please don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. Okay? बस ये इंश्योर करना post August, if you're weak in CSET, just get in touch with me or maybe a mentor or someone else, right? Try to do it from us only so that you're doing it from the conceptual point of view. Okay? So CSET में, even if you don't want to do this as of now until August, keep yourself free. Just focus upon optional, current affairs and GS as per the plan, right? So that is the meaning of this 5:1:1, 4:2:1 ka rule. Next and the last and the very important is 40 or 60 ka rule. So the very first half, that is the 7 hours for the GS. What I am recommending is, in that time slot, you have to at least do 60 pages if you are doing standard books. See, this will help you to maintain the productivity. If you are reading Lakshmikant, 7 hours mein, I expect you to read at least 60 pages. This is something which is very optimum. Last, you start with 30 pages in 6 hours, then 40, then 45, then 50, then 55, then 60. Keep on increasing. This is what you have to achieve in the standard books. Lakshmikant, Spectrum, whatever the standard books you are reading in first half of the day. 40 pages you have to ensure from the revision booklets. Let's say you are revising it from your Vajra summaries, prelims bootcamp summaries, main GS books, prelims notes which you will give you at the part of the program, right? So if you are revising the things, it should be 40 pages in the half slot. And again, I am repeating, half slot is this slot, right? This slot, this slot, this. So the target is 40 pages कहाँ से? Revision note से, और 60 pages कहाँ से? Standard book से. तो यार अब ना, in time management, I don't think so you should be having even an iota of confusion क्या कहाँ से कैसे करना है. It just you have to follow the Brahmastra, apply this time management as a part of it, do the targets which your mentors are giving, follow the Telegram channel of Brahmastra, your private Telegram channel. For any doubt, drop it in the group. Make sense? Make sense? Now,
Brahmastra.
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 Brahmastra. Brahmastra. Brahmastra. Brahmastra.
I need to cater one very important faction here, that is working aspirants. Working. Even if you are not working, please see, right? Please see, so that you can recommend it to someone. Okay. For working aspirant, what I want you to do, you have to fix the rule. And the rule one is 5 hours average per day. And this includes Sunday. I'm not saying Sunday ko, I need 12 hours. It's fine, you give 12 hours. But on an average, in a week, I want 35 hours of study from you. And this is nothing but productive study. Again, I have not explained what do I mean by productive time. I will devote 2 minutes here. Please everyone, please इसको सुन के जाना. What do I mean by productive time? It is very important for you to understand. कोई मतलब नहीं है फिर अगेन इस वीडियो का, ठीक है? You have to know what is productive time. So what I'm expecting at least 35 hours a day. Sorry, in a week. So this is week. अब second question is how I am expecting it. I am expecting 5 hours continuous stretch. Continuous stretch. What do I mean by it? I mean sir, generally what happens? समझिए, let's understand this. क्या हो रहा है with the working aspirants? Let's say you have a job from 9 a.m. or maybe it is something like this, generally 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. These are your working hours. What generally people do, what generally aspirants do, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. they study, or maybe they don't study. I mean, it could be any case. Some chill out, right? So they don't study in the morning. Then they will come back tired, hai? So they start the studies from 7 p.m. There will be some breaks, dinner ka break ho gaya, maybe you know some call from some friends, etc. All those breaks will be there in between. They will go to the bed by 12. So these 5 hours will have the break at least of dinner. खाना तो खाओगी यार. What I am expecting now, see, let's see the repercussion. Acha, what I am saying, this I am not expecting you to follow. Generally 95% of those who are watching the video right now, you follow this. What I want you to do is, just let me tell you the issue first. Issue is beta, here in this, what I can say, you know, in this time slot, since you are doing the job, once you're coming back home, you are tired. And since you are tired and then you are studying, you are not that productive. You are giving 5 hours, I agree, but you are not that productive because you are tired. Whatever was your energy, you have already drained it out in the office hours. That is the, what I can say, no, constraint which many of you. I am giving you two suggestions. Suggestion number one. समझिए. Again, let me repeat this before I come to the suggestion. Issue क्या है? Issue ये है कि आप थके हुए आ रहे हैं ऑफिस से, थके हुए हैं तो प्रोडक्टिवली पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाएगी. भले ही आप 5 घंटे पढ़ रहे हैं, आपको लगेगा आप 5 घंटे पढ़ रहे हैं, बट उसमें उतना प्रोडक्टिवली आप नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे. धीरे धीरे बैकलॉग क्रिएट होने लगेगा, कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन होने लगेगा, फिर आप अगले साल की सोचेंगे. ये साइकिल रिपीट होती रहेगी. बहुत बच्चों के साथ होता है. तो ये ब्रेक कैसे करें? हाउ वी हैव टू ब्रेक दिस साइकिल इज समथिंग आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. 2 options are there. Suggestion 1 is, let's say you're back at 7 p.m. Sorry, you're back at 6 p.m. You're back, get fresh, have dinner, and go to bed by 7:30 p.m. Sleep. Whatever are the disturbances in the family will not be there for you because you are sleeping. Wake up. Maybe 7:30 के बाद you sleep 7 hours. It's fine. You sleep 7 hours. कितना हो गया? 7 और 5 12, 12 30, then 1 30 2 30 3 30. ठीक है. Wake up at 3:30. ठीक है. What I'm saying, you sleep for 7 hours, 8 hours. It's fine. Your sleeping cycle I'm not disturbing, or the number of not sleeping cycle, number of hours for you sleep I'm not disturbing. You wake up at 3:30. The benefit is, sir, you are very productive. Since you wake up, you are very productive, very energetic, very fresh. You are very fresh. You study for 5 hours. Study until 8:30 or maybe 9. So these 5 hours will be at least 2 times more productive than those 5 hours. First thing, way out one. Second suggestion is, Suggestion 2 is that for example, you are back at 6 p.m. अब this should be with time. This cannot कि आप कल से ट्राई करेंगे हो जाएगा. You try to sleep. Have a good sleep. Wake up by 8. Or one more thing could be, but it will not be good for your health, is you eat and sleep. But again, it is not good for health, so I am not recommending it that strongly. The idea is you wake up by 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. It's fine. And then you study for 5 hours. The only thing which I want that you remain productive. That is it. Ab, in this, the only beauty is that since you wake up at 3:30, no one else is wake up. I mean, no one else is what I can say, roaming around the house to disturb you. So that is the beautiful aspect. You are very calm. Your study table is very clean. I mean, no one is there to disturb you. No, I mean, family issue, all those things will be very productive here, right? This also you can follow if you are someone who is not the night owl, or maybe who cannot wake up that early. I mean, you can follow this also, right? So the rule 2 is 5 hours continuous stretch. So either you will go for the suggestion 1 or suggestion 2, whatever you want to follow. Rule 3 now. Rule 3 is, sir, please follow this rule. Please follow this rule. You should be having the summaries for both pre and mains. And we are focusing on this as a part of Brahma. See, the basic pain point for the basic working aspirants is that if you are revising something, it is taking a hell lot of time. Polity is taking maybe 10 days, 15 days, history is taking, again another 15 days, 20 days, and you're not having the time to revise it. That is how you're giving 4 hours, 5 hours on daily basis, and you're revising it in 15, 20 days. So your first task should be to compress it so that you're able to revise this everything in 1 day or maximum 2 days. So that is what we are focusing as a part of Brahma. So if you're part of Brahmas, my first task will be to get your summaries done. Now these summaries will be value adding down the lane. कुछ टेस्ट से मिला ऐड कर लिया, इधर से मिला टेस्ट. सिर्फ 40 पेजेस में एंटायर एनवायरनमेंट इज कंप्लीटेड, 40 पेजेस में एंटायर इकोनॉमी, 40 पेजेस एंटायर पॉलिटी. Everything is concise from prelims point of view. Same we have done from the mains point of view. If you want to write some test, you are ready within the next 4 to 5 hours for the particular subject, because you are able to revise it very quickly, right? So this is something which is mandatory. I mean, I've seen students who are arguing ki sir, I already have the notes. Arey, those are the foundation notes. You are revising 1000 pages, you will end up giving the time of 6 days, 7 days. Then you lose the entire momentum. For working aspirants, please. This is mandatory. Follow your mentor. I have already guided them. I have given the instruction, and I am following every one of you personally, whosoever is working, right? This is something which is mandatory. Please do follow. Please do follow, so that we can increase your number of revision and the attempt you see. You already have the confidence since you are working. There is no so much pressure on your head कि यार job का क्या होगा and all those things, right? You are mentally free, and you have boosted your revision with this approach. Otherwise, like the other thing is practice and all those things, enrichment, that I will take care. Or we will take care as a batch. Just follow this. Okay. Rule 4 goes for the optional. Rule 4 goes for the optional. And the rule 4 says that for the optional, instead of doing it on daily basis, since you have only 5 hours, fix 2 days. And those 2 days are Saturday and Sunday. Some of you may be in the government job, you have both of them days free. Banking job, alternate Saturdays free. Private job, maybe not even any one of them free. I mean, at least Sunday you are free, right? What I'm trying to make a point is, Saturday you have 5 hours. Sunday, if you can stretch, just give this only to optional. Only to, right? The thing is, current affairs. When to do current affairs? Sir, please try to manage this in office if you can, if possible. If not, under those 5 hours, you will be able to make it 6, I know. Try to incorporate current affairs. Okay? So this is sorted. I've seen some of you doing this in office, or maybe doing while traveling, right? Or include this in 5 hours. This is or. I think we have clear cut, talked about the working aspirants. The only thing is, please follow the batch Brahmas. I've personally taken care that even if you're working, the batch is phenomenally working for you, right? And it has worked for the people in the past. So please have faith and follow whatever I've said you. This is indeed also important in order to reap the benefits of the batch, right? Let's move forward. Suggestions for working aspirants हो गया. अब what I am expecting you to do, if you can do, this is not mandatory but recommendatory, that please report us. For all of you, we want to ensure accountability. देखो, इस एग्जाम को क्लियर करने के ना 2 सिंपल रूल हैं, ध्यान से सुनना आप. दिस एग्जाम wants you to be consistent plus accountable. If you are doing this along with the right resources, and which you take it from me, if you are part of Brahmas, you have the best resources in the market, best, and I cannot emphasize it more unless until you compare it with your friends, right? Once you are done with the classes or maybe the the books, best resources you right now have as a part of Brahmas. If you are consistent, if you are accountable, accountability will come if you are reporting on the group, and this will enforce consistency also. These right resources will lead to the right result. Okay, that is what we are aiming for. Very simple. So I want you to focus upon this if you can, by reporting us on the WhatsApp groups. For every one of you, we have made a personal. So it is not कि सबका मिला के बनाया. It's personal for you. In that, just report us, sir. I have done this. This is how my day looks. Sir, I have done howsoever. You can type in a single message. You can type, the date, for example, whatsoever is the date, task done or the targets achieved. Even if you have not read anything, please write day wasted. कुछ नहीं पढ़ा या जो भी you want to write. Please hold your daily accountability in the group. Please, right? If you can. So in this group only, we are giving the targets also. We are guiding you also, and we are connecting with you personally as well, right? Now this is something which I was referring कि मत देखे बिना मत जाना. It is nothing but the idea of productive time. See, what you have to do is, there are 2 brands, Taksun and this is Naco. Go on Amazon or maybe Flipkart or maybe Blinkit, जो भी आपको करना है, find this. छोटी सी आती है. This is nothing but the time watch, right? First of all, this will act as a clock also on your study table. Keep all the distractions, phone, work, etc. side. इसे रख के पढ़िए. Second, you have to use this. I will make a separate video on how to use this. You have to use this to clock your daily hours. Once you are on the study table, start this. Let's say you want to go for the break. You want to go for the breakfast. Just stop it. Once you're back, please restart it. वहीं से continue हो जाएगा. Then let's say you got a phone call from your mother. Just stop, then attend. Whatever things you want to do other than studies, just pause it, attend it, come back, then start it. And then please clock your productive hours in the day. The time for which you are studying may not be productive enough. I mean, you may be only productively studying for 8 hours, 9 hours in a day. You will see this. And if you are able to do this, you will be able to improve it, because you now know you are wasting the time. You are not productive for the entire 14 hours for which you are studying, right? So I want you to clock this, and again, please drop this as a part of this. Yeah, I have covered this. Time studied, or maybe what we can do. Studied for, and please write the minutes also. 9 hours 37 minutes. It will be there in the watch. That you will be ending your day. You will be getting a time here. Write the exact time in the group, right? So that we know कितना घंटे पढ़ रहे हो आप effectively, productively, right? Sitting on the study table for the entire 14 hours doesn't mean you are studying for the 14 hours. Simple. So that is it from my side. Now, if you want more information regarding the batch, let me drop the number for the Brahmas, a beautiful batch. If you really want the direction, if you really want a program where you can get everything as a part of a single program. I mean, please write this number. Try to get in touch with team. Try to explore the program. Maybe you register, you don't register, it hardly matters. But maybe it can help you in some way, right? 85953 52083. The program name is Brahmastra 2027. A single program, year-long program, incorporates everything: your answer writing, your test series, your sessions, advanced sessions, enrichment. I mean, you not to hunt for anything for anywhere. ऐसे है, ethics है, टेस्ट सीरीज है, मेंस की है, प्रीलिम्स की क्लासेस हैं, करंट अफेयर्स, एवरीथिंग इज पार्ट ऑफ ब्रह्मास्त्र. So it's better to give a better attempt or good attempt as a part of single program rather to go directionless for the months, then see for the something can help you or not, then going directionless. Get a direction, get a list of things which you have to do, get a mentor, get a super mentor and start. ठीक है? I hope you will give your best attempt in 2027 with Sunya IAS. Thank you.
Hi, if you're someone who is preparing for 2027 and if you're looking forward to a program which takes your preparation from the basic to the most advanced stage, the stage which helps you to get a rank in the UPSC CSE, we have a wonderful program recommended by many of the students, which is Brahmastra 2027. So it is a one-stop solution where you get integrated test series for both prelims and mains along with the evaluation. You get one-to-one mentor assigned to you who tracks your preparation. Then you get the advanced classes, the classes like answer writing, where we teach you through the topper copies, means PYQ sessions where we help you to write the live answers with us. We have the Vajra classes where we help you to make the one-pager summaries along with all the enrichment. We have the bootcamp classes along with it. Ethics enrichment, essay enrichment. So this is something which will take a preparation to the next level. Then we have the entire content which is required to give a decent attempt, right? Content, I mean the Sunya notes, which is very famous among the toppers. So if you want to look forward to it, if you want to get in touch with the mentor, or if you want to know more about the program, you'll find the link in the description. Fill the form, either get in touch with the counselor or get in touch with the mentor to clear your doubts, to give a right direction to your preparation. Thank you. See you in the batch.